them before that you agreed. There's an agreement and waiting for.
It's not 100%.
They're from the foreign players, as you told them before that you agreed. There's an agreement and waiting for.
It's not 100% sure. So when that, because we don't know ever, all the time, you know, how is the business, and all the time when we speak about one name, after his name go to the press, and after the guy ask more money, more this and agent and blah blah blah. So when they arrive here, make the medical test, sign the contract, you are the first guys that I say, we sign with this guy. In this moment I cannot know because you are very very near in the rumors transfer. So I cannot speak.
Tidak bisa dikasih tahu deh. Oke,
Tadi kan
jadi
untuk posisinya sendiri Kak yang dibutuhkan.
what
oleh
about
pelatih.
position?
Okay, we're gonna bring a central back and we're gonna bring a striker. The other position is a surprise.
Masih surprise.
Iya,
Oke,
support,
CB,
striker.
striker, satunya surprise.
Asal negara mungkin yang gencar.
Pernah main di Indonesia.
Pernah main di sini.
Have they played in Indonesia?
I think not because I not remember.
Kayaknya tidak.
Mungkin dengan
Apa memainkan dua striker asing?
dua striker asing mungkin Kak.
Is it possible that you're gonna play two foreign strikers?
Be a surprise or not?
Ya, bisa
But
jadi.
it's a good question.
Pertanyaan yang bagus.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.